Na tuguska mutu nigobono abasaya baringe kurobekana kuruase county ya Homa Bay nigobono batebiringa abantu mbaroro beso irigati eliogotaka gutinenia okorobekana kubagendrete ase county ya Homa Bay nigoboigo abasaya bamentre babatebuna mbaguchugwanchirana ekiumu governor bwe county yu Gladys Wanga aberega gwanchirana naboigo nigo baburirie umugavana bwe county ya Gladys Wanga abega kwerusia oburai naboigo umurai bwense ka kwerusia ase oburai.
We are talking on behalf of Homa Bay. Yes. There is no way some people can be paid to stop the demonstration. We as the Gen Z, we are fighting for our rights.
Sisi kama Gen Z wa Homa Bay tunakataa kukula kiapo yenye gavana wa Homa Bay Gladys Wanga alikuwa anapeana. Tumekataa na tutakubali. Ruto must go, Wanga must go. Tumekataa.
The maandamano was everywhere. It was not only